The compact yet powerful Clarke CSS400C 16-inch variable speed scroll saw is ideal for DIY and workshop use. Easy to set up and use straight out of the box, the parallel action arm design produces quick and accurate cuts in wood and plastic up to 50 mm thick. The fine detail sawing that it creates in timber and plywood makes it perfect for model making and other applications requiring a delicate, precise touch. Featuring a powerful yet quiet 90-watt 230-volt motor, the CSS400C has easy-to-access no-volt release on-off switches and a variable speed control from 500 to 1600 strokes per minute. Included with the saw is a 64-piece grinding kit containing flexible drive accessories, turning this saw into a versatile grinding, polishing and sanding machine. The flexible drive shaft is simply attached to the fitment on the side of the machine, and a collet holds the wide range of supplied cutting and grinding tools. This 100-piece accessory kit, available from your local Clarke stockist, contains a wide selection of cutting wheels, sanding discs, drums and bands, polishing wheels and compound, wire and bristle brushes, plus dressing and grinding stones, making it an ideal accessory for the flexible drive. The CSS400C also features a work lamp on a flexible arm. Pinless blade adapters are supplied, allowing you the choice to use blades that don't have locating pins at each end of the blade. The work table is generous at 415 by 255 mm and can be tilted by up to 45 degrees. To keep the working area clear, an adjustable dust blower can direct a gentle airflow at the blade area, and a dust extraction port is located below the table for attaching to a dust extractor. Operating the saw is a very quiet operation, with the noise level being only a very low 87.4 decibels LWA. Supplied with 2 blades, pinless blade adapters and a transparent blade guard, the CSS400C is not only extremely capable, but great value too.